So we are at
Hold on.
Hi guys, so today I will be showing you my new fish tank, and this is for my betta fish. Alright, so I got this at PetSmart. The cost was $30. It's a good size. This is the top. You could put batteries in here. This is the bowl. It's a really, it's a big bowl. It's 1.3 gallons. This is the bottom, the base. So you put it like this. Put the bowl. Comes with a manual how to set it up. Comes with the USB. And this is what it would look like. This is what it looks like when it's decorated, and has the LED light.